I have a long name, I know. So it's better to remember me if you wish to remember me as Sumaya Matiatu. So I'm the head of the communication here at United International University. First of all, I think I would like to thank Ivayu Yala for doing this particular program for 2 times in a row because this is a season 2 and very nicely done. But I think it more depends on the participants. I hope we as because it's an inter-university competition, there are lots of participation from different universities, and I thank you all for participating in it because there are lots of hectic. I think one group, one team has already covered academic pressures and everything. So you do have many things to do: exams, classes, projects, and everything. And then you also take part in this competition. And I'll really say, like in my times, back in my times, I haven't really seen this sort of like enthusiastic representation on a stage from many performers, even when we were students. So many of you and almost all of you did pretty great. So whoever is the winner, because we are having time, finding out the winner and individual best speakers and all. But I think in some way you all are winners because you all did good. First of all, and the topics, very interesting. I think rest of the judges also agree with me. Like most of the topics were really interesting. I'm like, there were some morality issues, there were technology issues, there were society, civilization, and capitalism, and other issues, which was a pretty great thing to know. So I think who have heard and went through all the presentations and heard other participations speak about them also learned something, not only just seeing another team performing, but also saw something and took some learnings and all of that. I think I hope ELF will continue to do this type of programs. There will be more participations from many other universities, probably from outer Dhaka periphery too, because I think there is some sort of like all Dhaka based universities based in Dhaka representation here. So that's all. Wishing everyone a success. Wishing the winner. We do not know who is the winner, by the way, yet. So it is, as you see, it's a very impartial, proper scoring is going on. So probably the winner will take the title and will take the trophy or crest or whatever that we have here. But I think you all are taking home memories today and honors and respect and happiness to cherish. So thank you. Thanks, El.